Yeah, Zoho CRM versus HubSpot. Two of the most popular CRM platforms out there, but they're built in very different ways. So which one actually makes more sense for your business? If you've been comparing CRMs, chances are you've come across both of these tools. And on the surface, they both seem like solid options, but once you start using them, the differences become very clear. In this video, I'll break everything down in a simple and practical way. We'll cover ease of use, features, pricing, automation, integrations, and which CRM is actually the better choice depending on your business. And if you want to try either of these tools, make sure to check our links in the description to get the best discount on your favorite CRM. Let's start with the basic difference. Zoho CRM is part of a larger ecosystem of business tools. It focuses on flexibility, customization, and affordability. It's designed for businesses that want control over how their CRM works. HubSpot, on the other hand, is built around ease of use and marketing. It's more structured, more guided, and easier to get started with, especially if you're new to CRM software. So right from the beginning, the choice depends on what you value more, flexibility or simplicity. Now let's talk about ease of use. HubSpot is one of the easiest CRMs to use. The interface is clean, modern, and very intuitive. You can sign up and start using it almost immediately without much setup. Everything is laid out clearly. Contacts, deals, emails, and reports are all easy to access. Zoho CRM is also user-friendly, but it's not as simple as HubSpot. There are more options, more settings, and more customization features. That means there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new. But once you understand how it works, you can tailor it exactly to your business. If you want something quick and easy, HubSpot is the better choice. If you want more control and don't mind a bit of setup, Zoho CRM is stronger. And if you want to explore both platforms yourself, don't forget to check our links in the description to get the best discount on your favorite CRM. Now let's move on to features. Zoho CRM is packed with features. You get lead management, contact management, deal tracking, workflow automation, AI insights, and advanced reporting. You can customize pipelines, create custom fields, and build workflows that match your exact sales process. HubSpot also offers strong features, especially in its free plan. You get contact management, deal tracking, email marketing tools, and basic automation. But HubSpot really stands out in marketing. It includes tools for email campaigns, landing pages, forms, and lead tracking. This makes it very powerful for businesses that rely on inbound marketing. Zoho CRM has marketing features too, but they are not as strong as HubSpot's built-in tools. So if marketing is a big part of your strategy, HubSpot has the edge. If sales customization is more important, Zoho CRM is better. Now let's talk about automation. Zoho CRM offers advanced automation. You can create workflows based on triggers, automate follow-ups, assign leads, and even use AI to predict outcomes. This level of automation is very useful for growing sales teams. HubSpot also offers automation, but it's more limited in the lower plans. As you move to higher plans, automation becomes more powerful, but that also increases the cost significantly. So if automation is important and you want it at a lower cost, Zoho CRM is a better option. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where the biggest difference shows up. Zoho CRM is known for being one of the most affordable CRMs in the market. Their paid plans usually start at a low monthly cost per user, and even their higher tier plans are still reasonably priced compared to most competitors. You also get a lot of features included in those plans, especially automation and customization, which other tools often charge extra for. HubSpot, on the other hand, has a very attractive free plan. You can get started without paying anything, which is great for beginners. But here's where things change. As soon as you need advanced features like automation, reporting, or marketing tools, the pricing increases significantly. And for growing businesses, HubSpot can become one of the more expensive CRM options over time. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly CRM that scales with you, Zoho CRM is usually the better choice. If you're just starting out and want something free and easy, HubSpot is a great entry point. And if you want to check the latest pricing or get the best deals, don't forget to check our links in the description to get the best discount on your favorite CRM. Now let's talk about integrations. Zoho CRM integrates very well within the Zoho ecosystem. If you're using other Zoho apps like Zoho Books, Zoho Projects, or Zoho Campaigns, everything works together smoothly. It also integrates with third-party tools, but its biggest strength is its own ecosystem. HubSpot integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, including email platforms, marketing tools, and other CRMs. It's very flexible when it comes to connecting with external apps. So if you're using multiple tools from different providers, HubSpot may fit better. Now let's talk about reporting and analytics. Zoho CRM offers advanced reporting features. You can create custom reports, dashboards, and analyze your data in detail. This is useful for businesses that want deeper insights into their sales performance. HubSpot also offers reporting, but again, the more advanced features are locked behind higher plans. The basic reporting is good, but if you want detailed analytics, you'll need to upgrade. So Zoho CRM offers more value in this area at a lower cost. Now let's talk about scalability. Zoho CRM is highly scalable. You can start small and expand as your business grows. Because of its customization options, it can adapt to different industries and workflows. HubSpot is also scalable, but the cost increases significantly as you add more features and users. So while both can grow with your business, Zoho CRM is more cost efficient in the long run. Now let's talk about customer support. HubSpot offers strong support, especially for paid users. It also has a large knowledge base and community. Zoho CRM offers support as well, but the experience can vary depending on your plan. Some users find it great, while others mention slower response times. Now let's break down who each CRM is best for. Choose HubSpot if you want something simple, easy to use, and focused on marketing. It's perfect for startups, small businesses, and teams that rely heavily on inbound leads. Choose Zoho CRM if you want customization, affordability, and strong sales automation. It's ideal for businesses that want full control over their CRM without paying high costs. So which one should you choose if you want a quick start and strong marketing tools? Go with HubSpot if you want flexibility, lower cost, and advanced customization. Go with Zoho CRM. At the end of the day, both tools are excellent, but they serve different needs. HubSpot is easier to start with. Zoho CRM is more powerful in the long run. Before making your decision, think about your budget, your business size, and how much control you want over your CRM. And if you want to try either of these tools, don't forget to check our links in the description to get the best discount on your favorite CRM. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more software comparisons and business tools.